Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a demolding, I think that's what you call it, of some resin pieces. We're going to start out with the one that my friend Leslie sent me, this, and I used glue. It didn't turn out perfect, but it's encased. And I had to cut off some of the resin, but I'm hoping it'll last for a very long time now. I'm going to move this all the way, and we're going to do the moon phase. This is the small one, and I've done this one in rainbow colors. I did these in alcohol inks, different colors. I think they turned out really pretty. So that is that one. And all I did to these were domed them, put an extra layer on them. And these are so hard to get out. I did the alcohol inks in them too. I already took that one out. And this one, I even broke some of the top because it was so hard to get out. But I could fix that. I love the alcohol inks. You have to twist them and break that suction. And it's really difficult to get them out. You can put them in water and a little soap to break that suction. And I would have done that, but I didn't want to get water everywhere, as I'm injured a lot, as you can see. I didn't want to get water everywhere, and I would have. Once you get a good hold on it, you can usually get it out. I think they turned out really cool, and I'll be using them probably in some of my sun catchers. If my fingers work better, I might be able to get them out better, but you just gotta do what you gotta do. Wrestle with it. Now this one, the last one we have, it's just a star mode. I think it was more for like candy or something. But I thought I'd try some of the alcohol inks in it and see what happened. It's not very shiny, but I can fix that by putting, you can make them shiny if it's a dull texture. You can take and mix up some resin and hardener and just rub it over and it will make them shiny. So they're shiny on top because that's where the resin ended up. But I can also dome these, and then I can use these in my sun catchers too. I just had some leftover resin while I was doing these pieces, so I thought I'd throw them in here and see what happened. Like I said, I used alcohol ink. That's what I left with the yellow one. And that's all I have today. And these I just used clear because they were already clear and I needed to dome them. But I like the moon phase. I love moons and stars. So, hope you enjoyed this little video. Hope everyone's doing great. Have a great day, everyone. Blessed be all. And thank you, Leslie, again. I love my little friend mail that you sent. That's why I wanted to encase this little note you sent. Bye, everyone.